Today we are going on a fascinating adventure to learn why we cry when we cut onions. Have you ever been in the kitchen and noticed that when you slice an onion, your eyes start to water? It might seem a little sad, but there is a very interesting reason behind it, and it is all natural. Onions are special plants that grow underground. They have layers of soft, juicy flesh and contain a unique chemical. When you cut or crush an onion, you break its cells open. As soon as the cells are broken, a gas is released. This gas is a type of sulfur compound. When the gas reaches your eyes, it reacts with the water on their surface and forms a mild acid. This acid makes your eyes feel irritated, so they start to produce tears to wash the irritant away. That is why you cry when you cut an onion. Did you know that this gas also helps onions protect themselves? The chemical acts like a natural defense. When an animal or insect tries to eat the onion, the released gas makes it taste unpleasant and causes discomfort. This clever trick helps the onion survive in nature. There are some neat tricks to reduce the tears when cutting onions. One way is to chill the onion in the refrigerator before slicing it. The cold temperature slows down the gas, so fewer molecules reach your eyes. Another trick is to use a very sharp knife. A sharp knife cuts quickly and cleanly, damaging fewer cells and releasing less gas. Some people even wear goggles to keep the irritating gas away. Learning why onions make us cry helps us understand the amazing ways nature works. It shows us that every plant has its own method to protect itself. Even though we might not like the tears, they remind us of the wonderful chemistry in our world and how nature uses even simple ingredients to create surprising effects. Thank you for joining this adventure to discover why we cry when we cut onions. For more fun adventures, don't forget to follow our channel for more exciting journeys. See you in our next adventure, little explorers.